Let's explore this active alarm list of Predicta GUARDIAN by Dairy Data Warehouse a bit more. We have an overview of animals that are screened for alarms, and here we can select or deselect the diseases we want to detect. So this is ketosis, most importantly, milk fever, but also displaced abomasum, retained placenta, and it includes lameness and mastitis. So now below this is a list of animals that have been dried off recently and are expected to calve, like this one here in beginning of February, dried off, expected to calve about 8 weeks later, so quite considerable. And we see the alarm types. What we see is a lot of ketosis alarms and mastitis alarms. So ketosis, mastitis, ketosis, mastitis, ketosis, mastitis. And so here we are with the alarms for ketosis. Let's, in the next step, look at this specific cow to explore why she is on that list.